does he know? So we're ripping open the bark box. How do they know it's for them? That's so weird. What is it? Shadow's down there. The boys are up here. Oh, we're getting into it here. Look. Look what we got. We got a mouse. You guys want the mouse? The mouse? And then we got Doghouse Orchards. It's got 2 balls that you can put in there. Perfect for 2 boys. Yeah. And then we got a puppuccino. They love it. And we got some campfire lamb. What do you think, Bubba? We got some duck boots. And we got peanut butter something or other. Stormy's all in it. Salem? You like it, Bubba? You want something, Bubba? Here, look. Do you like it? What do you guys think? Is it good? Is it good, Bubbas? Yeah, they liked it, I think. All right, well, that's their first bark box. That's the autumn box. So, yeah, what do you think, Bubba? What do you think? Stormy's all into it. All right, thanks for watching. Give him one of these campfire lambs. He's eating a peanut butter one. You guys want one over here? Hey, don't take... Salem has his. But these, I guess, Stormy ate his. Let me set you down a minute. Okay. So this is the lamb. He likes it. You want the lamb? Whoops. It's on the floor. Well, then I guess Shadow gets 2. Here. You like them? Yum.